I'm here to share my story of how I started my school and how a teacher made a difference in my life. So I'm going to start with a teacher who made a difference in my life is my kindergarten teacher. And I would remember me calling her always Annie teacher. She was an Anglo-Indian and the most kindest person that I ever met. And these are my days where I'm starting to try and build a relationship outside the family, right? Like your kindergarten is such. So in my school, when I went to a kindergarten, somehow I built this relationship with my class teacher, and she was extremely kind. So I learned how to be really kind to people, and her kindness extended even in my primary school as well, I should say, because she would wait every time after my exam when I used to get my progress card outside my primary school, because kindergarten school was little different with the primary school, but she would wait near our school and would want to check how I am doing in my academics way after even I passed out of my kindergarten as well. So I learned how to be kind and how not to give up on your students just because they moved out of your class. So that is one of the early lessons, I should say, I learned from my teacher.